Hello, this is Willa, just being Willa, with a quick unboxing for CurlBox December 2020 Dope Deal Specialty Box featuring Cream of Nature. This box costs $15 plus $5 shipping and handling. And it has the banana mask, the yogurt mask, avocado mask, along with the curling custard and curling jelly, along with the edge control. Let's see the products. Very nice. Here is the one product, the avocado, and here is the banana, along with the curling jelly. This is a nice pump bottle. And the curling custard. And the edge control. Well, okay, that's what's in this box for the Dope Deal for 2020 Cream of Nature. This box costs $15 plus $5 shipping and handling. And I am one happy camper. It's a great deal. Take care. Bye-bye. Please like, share, and comment. Take care. And Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.